What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that almost no one pays their attention to. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we hit our range of resistance and it was our price target of about $17.95 and we hit this price target for the second time, and I have to say that I made 3 out of 3 successful forecasts for NIO price action. Right here I suggested to you to enter your position and the price target was at this range and we hit it. We hit the range of resistance and it was the previous price action and I marked this line previously and we booked about 23% of potential profits. Then I've told you at this very point, and I made a video about this, that we have to have a retracement. And this retracement should land in the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And basically we collected the position all the way through the levels of 0.382, it is $15.63 through 0.5, $14.88 to the golden pocket range. It is the range of about $14.10. And we hit these levels and the average price was probably at roughly $14.5 and the price target was again the same. We booked about 20% of potential profits. We missed this small movement to the upside. Definitely you cannot catch the entire waves from the bottom to the top. It is near to impossible and nobody can do this. And I have to say that it is totally okay that you are consistently profitable and it is the main goal of your presence on the stock market. So, and what should we expect next from the price action? I will show you in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you the news that I didn't cover yet. It is their delivery rates, and NIO delivers 7,024 vehicles in May, up 38% from April. And on the one hand, 38% increase from April is a very good number, but let me show you that in April they delivered only 5,074 vehicles. It was basically a very unsuccessful month for NIO, and 7,000 vehicles right now is also not the best numbers. As you can see, previously at the end of 2021 they delivered more than 10,000 vehicles for at least 3 months. And definitely 7,000 is not the best number, especially if you add all of these numbers. You will have about 37,866 vehicles that NIO produced from the beginning of January till the end of May. And with their goal to produce about 190,000 vehicles in 2022, they have about 152,000 vehicles left to produce for the rest of the year. And it will be about 21.7 thousand vehicles. And I have to say that this huge increase might not be easy to achieve. And definitely we might see the decrease in their total deliveries in 2022, and this will lead to more bearish pressure to the stock of NIO. And definitely it is not the good sign, but I have to say that NIO is ramping up their production and they increase their deliveries as fast as they can. And we still have the possibility to see when NIO will deliver about 190,000 vehicles, but we have to be very cautious with this number. So, and let me show you some good news directly related to NIO. On cnvpost.com on June the 3rd we have this article, and it's titled NIO ES7 gets green light to go on sale in China, more specs revealed. And NIO is preparing for the launch of the ES7, which could happen later this month. And let me show you this. In mid-May, China's industrial regulator released a catalog of models that would be allowed to be sold for public comment, and the NIO ES7 was included. Now, after the public comment period, the final list has been released, and the NIO ES7 has officially been qualified to be sold, and more specs have been revealed. So it is set in stone that they will produce and deliver this vehicle by the end of this month. And the specifications are following. They have a different range from 440 all the way up to 620 kilometers. They have three battery packs from 70 kilowatt hours all the way to 100 kilowatt hours. And definitely these numbers are very impressive, and it is at the high end of electric vehicle manufacturers right now, and that's why I think this vehicle might be one of the leaders in their deliveries and in their sales. And it is very good sign. So next one, let me show you this article. We are on cnvpost.com, and this article was published on June the 2nd. NIO rumored to be planning to build plant in Hungary to produce chargers and swap stations. NIO's move in Hungary is to meet its need to build battery swap stations in Europe, local media said, citing an unnamed insider at the company. And let me quote you this. The company has already posted a series of job openings in the region for this purpose, covering a number of positions in production, technology and finance, according to the report. And definitely this news shows the potential of NIO expansion in Europe, because when they started to produce not only the vehicles but the infrastructure for these vehicles, this means NIO has a very huge plans to increase its presence in Europe, and definitely it is a very good long-term catalyst. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for those of you who want to invest in this asset, we still have the same price target, medium-term price target at this previous swing high at roughly $24.41, and the entry point was at this yellow line at roughly $14.42. So this means we have more than 64% of upside potential, and we are in green right now. And definitely it is a very good price action, and if you want to stay in green no matter what, just put your stop loss in the green territory, and this will give you an opportunity to stay in profits in any cases. So what should you do if you want to enter your swing trade position? In my opinion, this breakdown, this 5 waves breakdown is not the case right now, because we have this movement to the upside, and probably from this bottom to this top we have the entire wave probably to this top. And I don't want to dive deep inside this price action, because we have several possibilities, and I don't think that it is important right now. The important part of this price action is that we hit the double top pattern, and this double top pattern is quite bearish pattern, and I have to say that not only this sign shows that we might go lower. On an hourly time frame we have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action, and this means we might see a decrease in the value of the stock, and we might hit lower prices. So if you want to measure the levels where we might land, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to the top of this wave, and we have following levels. Definitely the most probable ranges are right here. It is a 0.382 at roughly $17.06, 0.5 at roughly $16.49, and 0.618, 0.65 at in the range in between $15.77 and $15.92. These ranges might be your accumulation points, and your stop loss should be quite tight, because we have to be very cautious with the upcoming price action. And let me show you that on June the 9th, in a matter of just 4 days, we will see their earnings report that also should be a catalyst for this company, and we have to take a closer look on their guidance, because if they will reduce their targets, their delivery targets for the full year 2022, it will be a major negative sign that might drive the price of the stock lower. That's why you have to be very cautious. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.